Welcome to BCom first year student, semester first, Shivaji University Kolhapur. We are going to discuss the multiple choice question on amalgamation of partnership firm and consignment. Now question first. The combination of two or more partnership firm into a single new firm is called as a amalgamation of partnership firm. Here option B is correct one. The object of amalgamation of partnership firm is that expansion of business, to avoid competition, to get benefits of monopoly, and all of these one. Here option D is correct one. Question 3. To find out profit or loss on revaluation assets and liabilities, which account is opened up? Here options are given: a revaluation account, profit and loss adjustment account, A or B, and a revaluation account. Here option C is correct one. Goodwill account is opened in the books of old firm. Die-dash account is debited and die-dash account is credited. Here goodwill account is debited and partnership account is credited. Option A is correct one. If asset increase in the books of the firm, die-dash account is debited and die-dash account is credited. Here asset account is debited and revaluation account is credited. Option B is correct one. If any asset taken over by partner, it is to be debited to die-dash account. Here partner's capital account is debited. Option A is correct one. The final balance of capital account is transferred to a new firm. Here option B is correct one. Question 8. The profit or loss on revaluation of assets is transferred to credit side of a revaluation account. Here option C is correct one. The accounting treatment of goodwill without opening goodwill account, debit difference is die-dash and credit difference is a die-dash to partner's capital. Here debit difference is debited and credit difference is credited. Here option A is correct one. Question 10. The stock of Messrs. AB firm in the balance sheet rupees 24,000, which was found overvalued by 20%. What is the value of stock which is transferred to new firm? Now see, here stock is overvalued by 20%. It means the given stock 24,000 is at 120%. We have to divide 120 into 100. It means 20,000. Here option B is correct one. The land and building of Messrs. C and D firm in balance sheet rupees 160, which was found undervalued by 20%. What is the amount of land and building transferred to new firm? Here it is undervalued by 20%. It means given value 160 is at 80%. It means into 100 it comes 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is the value of building transferred to new firm. Here option C is correct one. The book value of machinery of Messrs. AB in the balance sheet rupees 90,000, which is to be undervalued by 10%. Here 90,000, it 10% comes 9,000, will be deducted 9,000, it comes 81,000. 81,000 is the amount of machinery transferred to new firm. Here option B is correct one. Question 13. Book value of investment of Messrs. Anil Sunil firm in balance sheet rupees 60,000, which is to be overvalued by 20%. Just we have to 20%, it comes 12,000. It means increased 12%, 12,000. It comes as 72,000. 72,000 amount of the investment transferred to new firm. Here option A is correct one. Unrecorded computer valued rupees 55,000, which realized rupees 20,000. Which amount is debited and what amount? Here cash account is debited and amount 20,000 will be debited. Here option A is correct one. Question 15. The sundry debtors in balance sheet of Messrs. AB firm rupees 20,000, from which a provision for doubtful debts is deducted rupees 1,000. Now in adjustment, provision for doubtful debts is increased to rupees 2,500. What amount of RDD net is debited to PL adjustment account? Net amount will be 2,500 minus 1,000. It comes 1,500 will be debited to profit and loss adjustment account. Here option C is correct one. Sundry debtors in balance sheet of Messrs. CD firm rupees 50,000, from which a provision for doubtful debts deducted rupees 2,500. Now in adjustment, RDD is to be increased by rupees 1,000. It means new RDD rupees 3,500. What amount of RDD net it is to be debited to revaluation account? Net RDD rupees 1,000 will be debited to revaluation account. Here option A is correct one. Reserve for discount creditors is credited to a revaluation account. Option B is correct one. Question 18. If it is decided that the partner C should be given a quarter share in a new firm, A and B share the balance in the same relative proportion as before, which was 3:2. What will be the new ratio? Here, total share is 1. From this one, we have to subtract a quarter share. Quarter means 1/4. The remaining proportion is 3/4, which will be distributed among the A and B in the ratio of 3:2. 3/4 into ratio 3/5, and here also 2/5. Now answer comes 3 3s are 9, here 20, here 6, and again 20. Now new ratio of new partner is 1/4. We have to make the denominator same. Here we have to multiply 5/5. Answer comes 5/20. Then denominator is the 20, 20, 20, and resulting ratio will be 9:6, 6:5. Answer is the option D is correct one. In a new firm, goodwill is to be written off. Which account is debited? Partner's capital account is to be debited. Question 20. Which of the following is not included in a trade payable? Trade payable includes syndicators, bills payable, note payable. Here partner's loan is not included in a trade payable. Therefore, option D is correct one. Book value of furniture is 30,000, which should be written down by 10%. What is the amount of furniture to be transferred to new firm? 30,000 written down. It means 10,000 subtracted. Answer comes 27,000. Option B is correct one. The book value of building rupees 80,000, which is to be enhanced. Enhanced means increased by 20%. What is the amount of building transferred to new firm? 20%, it comes 16. 80 plus 16, it comes 96,000. Here option D is correct one. Goodwill is to be valued 2.5 years purchase of the average profit of the last 3 years. The profit of the last 3 years will be 27, 31, 32. What will have goodwill? We have to make the additions of this one. 27, 31 plus 32. It comes 90,000. Just for average purpose, we have to divide 3 and answer comes 30,000 is average profit. Just we have to multiply 2.5. It means multiply 2.5. It comes 75,000 is the answer. Here option C is correct one. Book value of investment rupees 45,000, which is to be valued at market price, which is 50% above cost price. It means just we have to make additions. 45 plus 50%, it means 67,500. Here option C is correct one. A revaluation account or profit and loss account is a dash account. It is a nominal account. Option C is correct one. Debit balance of revaluation account is a loss on revaluation of assets and liabilities. Option A is correct one. Credit balance of revaluation account is a profit on a revaluation of assets and liabilities. Option B is correct one. The capital of all partners in the new ratio is to be transferred or is to be adjusted in new proportion ratio and may be adjusted through cash bank account, loan account, current account, any of the above. Here option D is correct one. Question 29. Goods sent by owner, proprietor to a person to be sold on behalf of the owner or partner's proprietor is called as a consignment. Here option B is correct one. The sender of goods is called as a consignor. Option A is correct one. Question 31. The person to whom goods are sent is called as a consignee. Option B is correct one. The relation between consignor and consignee is that of principal and agent. Here option C is correct one. As goods are sent by consignor, he is called as a outward consignment. Option A is correct one. As goods are received by consignee, he is called as a inward consignment. Option B is correct. A consignee prepare a pro forma invoice price at the time of dispatching goods to the consignee and send it to the consignee. Here option A is correct one. At periodic interval, the consignee submit a statement showing the details regarding sales made by him and expenses paid on behalf of the consignor. It is called as a account sales. Option B is correct one. The commission is allowed to the consignee to bear loss of bad debts is called as a Dale credit commission. Option C is correct one. In order to induce the consignee to sell the goods at a maximum possible price, extra commission is allowed. It is called as a special commission. Here, option B is correct one. Expenses paid by consignee is debited to consignment account. Option C is correct one. The loss which is inherent and which cannot be avoided, it is called as a normal loss. Option A is correct one. The loss which may arise due to accident, theft, careless is called as a abnormal loss. Consignor sent dash to a consignee. It's a pro forma invoice. Consignor sent a pro forma invoice to the consignee. Consignee sent an account sales to the consignor. Here option B is correct one. Consignee is an agent of the consignor. Here option D is correct one. The consignor is a principal of the consignee. Here option C is correct one. In a consignment, ownership of goods on consignment remain with the consignor. Here option A is correct one. Question 47. An account sale is sent by consignee to the consignor. Here option B is correct one. Dale credit commission is given to the consignee to suffer a loss of a bad debt. Here option A is correct one. The proportionate amount of non-recurring expenses paid by consignee is added to the cost of closing stock of consignment. Here option B is correct one. Goods sent on consignment is a debited to consignment account. Here option C is correct one. Consignment is a nominal account. Option C is correct one. Consignee is a personal account. Here option B is correct one. The total sales made by consignee rupees 19,000, out of which a cash sales rupees 10,000. It means 9,000 is a credit sales. The consignee is entitled to get 5% commission. 5% commission on 19,000, it comes 950, and 2% daily commission on a credit sales. Credit sales rupees 9,000. 9,000 at 2%, it comes 180. Total commission will be 1130. Answer option B is correct one. Question 54. The total sales made by consignee rupees 60, inclusive of cash sales rupees 20. The consignee is entitled to a commission at 4% and 2% as a daily credit commission. Here, daily commission is not given on which sales is made. Therefore, just we have to make a 4% plus 2%, 6% commission on total sales. 6% on total sales, it comes 3,600. Answer C is correct one. Question 55. Sangeeta Machine Corporation sent 100 machines of rupees 200 each. It means cost rupees 20,000. Here, at 20% profit on invoice price, 20% profit on invoice price, it means 1/5 on IP, it means invoice price, it means 1/4 on cost price. Here, cost is 20,000, we have to find out the 1/4, it comes 5,000. 5,000 profit will be added and the price will be 25,000, which is to be debited to consignment account. Here option D is correct one. Question 56. Mr. Gopal sent 1,000 toys of which 50 each. 1,000 into 50, it comes 50,000 is a cost price. At 20% profit on a cost price, it means 20% of 50, it means a 10,000. Just we have to add 10,000. Answer comes will be 60,000. Is the amount of goods sent on consignment which is debited to consignment account. Here option A is correct one. Question next. ABC Limited sent 300 machines of which 2,000 each. 300 into 2,000, it comes 6 lakhs. Is a cost price. At a 33.33% profit on invoice price, it means 1/3 on IP invoice price. That means 1/2 on a cost price. Just here, cost will be 6 lakhs, 1/2 on cost will be 3 lakhs, and total price will be rupees 9 lakhs. which is the amount of goods sent on consignment which is debited to consignment account. See in option 9 lakhs. Option C is correct one. Question 58. Raj Limited sent 100 machines of rupees 200 each, but at rupees 240 each. 100 into 240, it comes 24,000. To Mr. Dheeraj, to be sold on behalf of and spent rupees 2,000 packing charges and forwarding charges. 2,000 is the expenses paid by the consigner, which is to be added here it is. Also, Mr. Dheeraj spent rupees 1,000 as carriage. It is a non-recurring expenses which is to be added in a cost also. Again, rupees 500 as unloading charges. These are also non-recurring expenses we have to add in a cost price. Here 200 as rent and 100 as advertising. These are the recurring expenses which will not be included in this cost price. Just we make the additions. 27,500 is the cost price. During the meantime, consignee sold 80 machines at 360 each. 100 machines sent, 80 machines sold. It means 100 minus 80. It remains 20 machines are remaining in stock. It is 20% stock is remain. Total cost price, invoice price is 27,500. At 20%, it comes 5,500 is the cost price of the closing stock. Therefore, answer A is correct one. Question 59. Unless otherwise stated, rail credit commission is calculated on a total sales. Option C is correct one. Abnormal loss is transferred to a profit and loss account. Option A is correct one. Loading on closing stock is also called as a stock reservoir. Here option A is correct one. These are multiple choice questions and answers are given in the last page. Okay, thank you.